job of the day, clean the swimming pool. But not just inside the pool's important, outside the pool's more important, because so much dust collects, and when the people burn the sugar cane and the whole area gets black with black dirt, and it's no good. So clean all around the pool and make sure you get all the dirt away. And also the leaves, loads of leaves fall from the trees into the pool with the wind. So basically, you've got to do it every day. And backflush the pool as well. Make sure that's clean. But it's a thing that's, if you don't stay on top of it, then you've got a big problem, because it'll just cause you problems in the end. And chlorine, lots and lots of chlorine. I put maybe 5 tablets in a week. But if you buy the tablets on Lazada, about 99 baht for 5 tablets, so it's not so bad. Then the Udon Thani, 175 for a packet, so Lazada's a lot cheaper. But a pool's no for everybody. I wouldn't advise a pool for people that's no living in Thailand and maybe getting family to look after it, because it's nothing but problems, and the kids pee in it, and it's a mess. So only get a pool if you're at the house and you're looking after it, or you pay somebody to look after it, or it'll be nothing but a headache for you. Like a garden, you know, if you want a nice garden, you've got to do it. You've got to look after it, make it look nice. But the pool's good. I mean, the kids like it, but that's the people that cause the most problems when you're got to clean it and they splash all the water out and generally make a mess, basically. And they didn't use the toilets or the showers to wash before they go in the pools. That's a big no-no. So, okay. The joys of owning a swimming pool, I don't think so.